Hey boss, Wendy here. In this video, we will focus on changing 100 numbers with decimals to whole numbers in less than 13 seconds. All right, let's get started. So here we have an Excel spreadsheet with at least 100 records. All names and numbers are purely made up. Please see the disclaimer on www.heyboss.com for details. In this example, the column labeled amount has the decimal figures that we want to change to whole numbers. So first, we select a column, highlighting all the numbers, select the Format tab, then Cells. The Format Cells screen pops up. Make sure that the Number tab is selected, where you can then select Number and change the decimal places to 0. Click OK. And now, when you move back to your sheet, the cells in the selected column will have changed to whole numbers. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to change decimal numbers to whole numbers within seconds. If you like this video and would like more tips finding efficient ways to help your job on Microsoft Word and Excel, along with other cool tools to help your job, please visit us at heyboss.com, and that's www.heahboss.com. Until next time, blessings.